Are you allowed to fish off of a cruise ship? Carnival Cruise Line especially says no, and so do the rest. But why not? Fishing off a cruise ship is prohibited due to the fact it presents a hazard not only to marine life but also to the ship and passengers, as items can swing from a line onto other balconies. Fishing on a cruise ship could get you in a lot of trouble, so much trouble that just last week a passenger was banned for life from Carnival Cruise Line. Carnival Cruise Line's guests last week learned it the hard way when they went fishing off of their balcony in Nassau, Bahamas, caught a fish, and got caught by Carnival Cruise Line, receiving a lifetime ban. Have you ever saw somebody fish off of a cruise ship? Let me know in the comments.